Welcome to one more useful and interesting video. To get regular updates, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification. Today I am going to talk about LIC HFL Vidya Dhan Scholarship. First of all, talking about the program. LIC HFL Vidya Dhan Scholarship is a CSR initiative of LIC Housing Finance Limited to support the education of underprivileged students in India. The scholarship program aims to empower lower income group students who are pursuing studies at various levels, starting from class 8 to post graduation. Under this scholarship program, students will receive financial assistance up to 30,000 rupees depending on their level of study. LIC Housing Finance Limited is an organization promoted by LIC Insurance Corporation India. The organization has been running various social welfare programs which also includes education related initiatives. First of all, talking for LIC HFL Vidya Dhan Scholarship for class 8th to 10th students. Deadline is 31 December 2020. Eligibility open for students enrolled in class 8th, 9th or 10th at any recognized institution in India. Applicants must have scored at least 65% marks in their respective previous class. Family income of applicant must be less than 3 lakh per annum. Preference will be given to applicants from low income groups or students in crisis, that is, orphans, differently abled, critically ill children, etc. Benefits up to 10,000 rupees. Now talking about LIC HFL Vidya Dhan Scholarship for class 10th passed students. Eligibility open for students enrolled in class 11th or 12th or under ITI diploma or polytechnic programs at any recognized institution in India. Applicants must have scored at least 65% marks in their respective class 10th board examination. Family income of applicant must be less than 3 lakh per annum. Preference will be given to applicants from low income groups. Benefits up to 15,000 rupees. LIC HFL Vidya Dhan Scholarship for graduation. Eligibility open for students enrolled in graduation or UG programs and at any recognized college, university or institution in India. Students in final year of their graduation program are not eligible to apply. Applicants must have scored at least 65% marks in class 12th board examination. Family income of applicant must be less than 3 lakh per annum. Preference will be given to applicants from low income groups. Benefits up to 20,000 rupees. Now for post graduation. Eligibility open for students enrolled in post graduation at any recognized college, university or institution in India. Students in their final year of post-graduation program are not eligible to apply. Applicants must have scored at least 65% marks in their respective UG level program. Family income of applicant must be less than 3 lakh per annum. Preference will be given to applicants from low income groups. Benefits up to 30,000 rupees. Starting date and last date of this scholarship is not fixed. Usually this scholarship starts in November or December. The last year deadline of this scholarship is 31 December. So this scholarship will start in November or December this year due to COVID-19. So regularly check the official website to get the updates. Some of the frequently asked questions is how to apply for the LIC HFL Vidya Dhan Scholarship. Go to the official website, click on Start Application, fill the scholarship application form, upload required documents along with online application form. Click on Submit button to complete the application process. What are the documents required for LIC HFL Vidya Dhan Scholarship? The documents required are photo identity proof, either of your Aadhaar card or PAN card or passport, income proof, income certificate from government authority, proof of admission, school or college or university ID card or bona fide certificate, current academic year fee receipt, bank account details of the scholarship applicant, cancelled check or passbook copy for proof. What is the selection process for LIC HFL Vidya Dhan Scholarship? The selection of scholars for LIC HFL Vidya Dhan Scholarship involves a multi-stage process. First of all, screening of scholarship applicants based on merit and financial need. Telephonic interviews for further shortlisting of candidates. Face-to-face interview for final selection. if required. What is the selection criteria for LIC HFL Vidyadhan scholarship? Scholars for LIC HFL Vidyadhan scholars will be selected on the basis of the following criteria: merit of the applicant, 65% marks or above in the previous exam, financial need, students from lower income group families, crisis situation, students supported by single parent, orphans, students with critically terminal, students from families with job loss of earning member in last 12 months. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.